Joe, Tai. I have a surprise for you. Are you ready to see it? The first surprise is a Robo fish. It's a Robo Alive fish which swims like a real fish. You put it in the water and it swims. It also said that it changed its color in the water, we will test it, and it swims in 5 directions. What do you think? Okay, you like this, but there is one more thing. There is also a robot turtle. It's the same like the robot fish, but it's a turtle. It said that his fins move like a real. I swim and walk like a real turtle. We test this both. What do you think? Okay, but there for water you won't be able to see it very close because water is very dangerous for you. You will be watching for your home station in safe space. Don't be sad, you'll still be able to see everything, don't worry. Are you ready to open it? I see you're excited. So now we will unbox it and test it in a bowl filled with water. But first, let's unbox it. And now I will secure Imo and Imo and will test them both into water. But Imo will be on a safe space because water and Imo robots isn't a good combination. Okay, now we have our bowl with water, our Robo turtle and Robo fish prepared, and Imo in their home safe box. As I have placed them on my laptop, here you can see, so can they see everything. So, Imo are you ready? Okay, they seem very excited. Now, the first test. We're putting the robo fish. As you can see, it's really swimming. What are you doing? You can't catch it. Okay. Apparently you can. Okay, now we are removing the robo fish. And as you can see, it stops moving. And now it's time to try the robo turtle. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we remove the turtle which is swimming, and as you can see it stops moving. Now I will put both the robo fish and the robo turtle. I am placing the robo turtle, and now I am placing the robo fish. Let's see if they will be friends. They seem to like each other, even if the robo fish is pushing the robo turtle a lot. There even seems like they are playing like real animals. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment down if you have suggestions for names for my robo turtle and robo fish. These are Emojo Emotai. Here we have Messi and Poki who are also watching. These are our new members. Which names you decide? I'm Cveti. This is Cveti and Robot Friends. Goodbye and see you soon.